Hello and welcome to my channel Next Level Arabic. In today's video, we'll be talking about the question, is Arabic an easy language? So first, I'll be talking about the origin of Arabic and the different dialects that we have. Also, which dialect is the best to pick when you want to learn the language, depending on your needs. And we will do a comparison with Arabic and other languages to see what are the challenges and what are the things that makes Arabic easy. So let's get started. Arabic is spoken by over 400 million people in the Middle East, North Africa, and the African Horn. And it is one of the Semitic languages. So the Semitic language family include Aramaic, Syriac, Hebrew, and Arabic. Also, there are many more, but these are the major ones. Arabic originated in the Arabian Peninsula, and in the ancient time, it was classical Arabic, which is the one that we can see in the Qur'an now or in the old poem or literature. For now, we have two main kinds of Arabic, which is the formal Arabic, the one that we call it modern standard Arabic. This one we use it in the newspaper, in the news, in the formal situations. And we have also dialects, which varies depending on the area, this country, sometimes the city. But the main dialects that we have the Gulf dialect, which is the one that is spoken in the Arabian Peninsula. We have the Iraqi dialect in Iraq. We have the Levantine in Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, and Palestine. We have the Egyptian, and we have the Moroccan dialect. For the dialects between Arabs, like they can understand each other's dialect. Sometimes they can mimic it, but these dialects are still different from each other. And this is for many reasons. First, for cultural reason, for the interaction with other civilizations or other cultures through trading. About picking a dialect in Arabic. So for the people who are interested in learning dialect, not the modern standard Arabic, well, this depends on your goal and needs. Like, for example, for someone who wants to work in the UAE, it's better to pick the Gulf dialect, the Emirati one. But from a general point of view, the Levantine dialect and the Egyptian are the easiest because they are the widely spoken and understood from other people, and this is because of the influence of the Levantine dialect on music and on from TV series. And for the Egyptian dialect, it has an influence because of its cinema industry. And about the question, is Arabic an easy language to learn? There is no short answer to this question, because what might be easy for someone as a language, it could be hard for another, depending on if the language, the mother tongue, is close to the targeted language, or if it has some words in common. Like I would say, for example, Arabic would be easier for Iranian or Turkish to learn than Westerner. And talking about that, one of the differences between Arabic and, let's say, English as an example, is the structure. Arabic structure is a bit more complicated than the English one. At the same time, they have a lot of like letters that we pronounce it the same, but the Arabic has some extra letters that they do not exist in English, and it's sometimes challenging to pronounce. So this is what might make it a little bit challenging in the beginning. In the same time, Arabic is a logical language. It has the root system, which means when you have words that they have similarities or they talk about around a specific topic, they share same root, same letters. like for example book, writer, and office, desk, they have the same root. So this makes it a little bit confusing in the beginning because it will be hard sometimes to differentiate. Like when you listen to this word, it's hard to differentiate which is which. But after like a time when you just uh, have a decent level in Arabic, it will be more like it will be an easy tool to discover in Arabic. Sometimes you can predict words, but just by knowing the root thing. It's important to set your goal and your why around learning Arabic. Is it because you want to move to Arabic country? Is it just for fun? Like it's important to put goal, set goal, and know why are you doing this, because it's a really long process and it needs sustainable motivation. So you need to have a clear goal around that to keep it sustainable. If you found this video helpful, just make sure to like the video and leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel to see the coming videos in the future, and see you in the next video.